15th August 1947. On this day, India woke up with the freedom. On this day, at the midnight, the Indian flag was hoisted and given its respect and pride. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mohammed Samir Dawood. I am extremely happy today because this is the 71st Independence Day of our country. But at the same time, I am a little bit sad because before 71 years ago, India was underdeveloping country. After the 71 years of independence, India is still a underdeveloping country. What is the reason? What is the thing which India did not become a developed one country? The main thing, the main reason is we are divided. We are divided in the basis of caste. We are divided in the basis of region. We are divided in the basis of religion. We're fighting each other. Every religion is fighting with another religion. What is shame? What a nation? We are a nation. We might need to be a nation. We have the numbers, we have the powers, we have the strength. But only the thing which we have a problems. We are debating each other. We are arguing each other on small issues. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask that did Mahatma Gandhi fight for Hindus of this country? No. He fought for Indians of this country. Ladies and gentlemen, did Ashfaqullah Khan fight for the Muslims of this country? No. He fought for Indians. Did Bhagat Singh fight for Sikhs of this country? No, ladies and gentlemen, he fight for the Indians. And who are we? Who are we by dividing this country on the basis of caste, region and religion? At the ancient time, before 71 years ago, the British says to our country, has given a title to our country named the Golden Bird, the Sone Ki Chidiya. Because we were united at that time, they ruled us by dividing Hindu and Muslim, the same policy. Today, the same policy the politicians are following, they're dividing us, they are ruling our country. The history is reversing. इतिहास को दोबारा दोहराया जा रहा है. Ladies and gentlemen, the people says India is a free country, but I just say we got freedom from only British. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि और मैं पूछना भी चाहता हूँ, क्या हम करप्शन से फ्री हुए? क्या हम गरीबी से फ्री हुए? क्या हम भूखे से, हंगर से फ्री हुए? क्या हमारी माँ बहनें 10 बजे के बाद दिल्ली की रोड पर अकेले निकल फ्री से जा सकती है? It is sad to see that they are the men in our country who wants a wife, who wants a mother, who wants a sister. Whenever the daughter comes, they will say big no. Why? Why? The youth nowadays is saying that India is a not type of my country. India is a not type of my country. And I will study and go to the foreign. Yes, go to the foreign and earn money. I'm not saying that. But don't say India is a not type of my country. Mahatma Gandhi, Ashfaqullah Khan, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, they sacrificed their lives, wives and families. For whom? For you, for the people of country, for the Indians. So don't tell India is a not type of my country. I want to tell a short story of Chandrasekhar Azad. When he was in 13 years, he started a protest against the British, and the Britishers kept in a lockup him. At the court, the judge asked him, "What's your name?" He said, "Azad, free." And what's your occupation? What's your aim? I want free from you. I want azadi from you. This is a motivation story of a youth. From this video, from this story, I want to motivate the youth. Youth are the future of this country. Youth are the face of this country. So ladies, we have to understand that success lies in unity. So let us be united. Let us hold the hands towards making this country Sone Ki Chidiya, the Golden Bird. So happy Independence, 71th Happy Independence Day to our country. Jai.